Investing 101, a beginner's guide to investment concepts and strategies. Two friends Joy and Nick are discussing about investment. Let's have a look on what they are saying. Joy: Hey, have you ever thought about investing your money? Nick: Investing? I don't really understand what that means. Can you explain it to me? Joy: Sure. Investing is putting your money into assets with the hope of making a profit. There are several types of investments, including stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Nick: Okay, can you explain each one of them with examples? Joy: Sure. Let's start with stocks. When you buy a stock, you become a part owner of a company. For example, if you buy a stock of Apple, you own a small portion of the company. The value of your stock goes up or down based on the performance of the company. Nick: That sounds interesting. What about bonds? Joy: Bonds are essentially loans that you give to a company or government. When you buy a bond, you are lending money and in return, you receive interest payments. For example, if you buy a bond from the U.S. government, you are lending money to the government and receiving a fixed rate of interest. Nick: Okay, I get it. What about mutual funds? Joy: Mutual funds are a type of investment where you pool your money with other investors to buy a variety of stocks, bonds, or other securities. For example, if you invest in a mutual fund that tracks the S&P 500 index, you are investing in a mix of 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. Nick: And real estate? Joy: Real estate investment involves buying, holding, and managing properties with the aim of generating income or profit from appreciation. For example, you can buy a rental property and collect rent from tenants, or you can buy a property with the intention of selling it later at a higher price. Nick: Wow, investing seems like a complex but interesting subject. Thank you for explaining it to me. Joy: You're welcome. It's always good to educate yourself about investments and make informed decisions with your money.